Hello guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is your guest Mama Sagri Channel, a faithful Ozo Matarder. So ngayong hapon na to, tignan natin sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a special gabay for the month of June 3 hanggang June 9 for the sign off. For the sign off, Aries. So Aries, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides sa ating masasagot for today's video? Kanino kayang energy ay kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Aries signs ang ating mga hagilap? So guys, this reading is a general reading na mga hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos update. Kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-escape ng ads away, pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik, liglig, nag-umapaw, na biyayang manambalik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages, advices sa inyo ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Aries. So let's see and watch this. Angel spirit guide, please give me information para kayo sabihin sa inyo ng ating mga barahan. Okay, so this is something, the Ace of Cups. Now, there's something in new love coming in. May bagong pag-ibig na maaaring magpatibok sa pihig ang puso mo. Maaaring manumbalik ang pagmamahal na katangi-tangi sa lahat. No, maaaring ipagkakaloob na sa'yo, ibibigay na sa'yo yung mga bagay na what you deserve. And of course, this is something, the Five of Pentacles. Some of you guys nakakaranas ka ng financial crisis, financial loss, na maaaring marami kang nararanasan ngayon pagdating sa material na field. Now, there's a Wheel of Fortune with a turning back. Now, suswertihin ka na this time. Now, may maaaring umikot ng kapalaran ngayon. Now, maaaring magbago na ang sitwasyon mo. And this is something, the Queen of Cups, na matuto kang kumalma. Huwag kang masyadong agresibo. No, at the same time, this is something, the Eight of Cups, something moving forward. At unti-unti ka rin dyan makakalaya at makakawala sa situation mo. Unti-unti mo nga mararamdaman ang pagbabago. No, and this is something, guys, with a Three of Swords in reverse, something, a recovery from the pain. So, some of you guys na makaka-recover ka na sa mga pigati, then of course, yung mga sakit na naranasan mo, no, mga paghihirap na pinagdaanan mo, what is the Ace of Cups? Reference with a higher for lesson learned. Matuto ka na pagdating sa love life. No? Kumbaga, huwag ka na masyadong maging marupok. Or huwag ka na masyadong, kumbaga, yun nga, marupok na, no? At the same time. Kumbaga, masyadong soft-hearted, no? Masyadong mahina ang iyong puso. Mabilis kang maawa. No? And this is something, guys, with an Empress card for revert. No, maaaring dito ibabalik yung sigla ng iyong negosyo, trabaho. Or either your finances. No, there's a blessing coming in. No, at the same time, this is something, the Kingman. No, some of you guys, no, baguhin mo na yung perspective mo or even your mindset. Dahil, kumbaga, iikot ng kapalaran ngayon. No, maaaring magbago na ang ikot ng eksena. And this is something that's kind of one, something of burden. Kumbaga, may mga nararanasan kang mga mabibigat, mga pasakit, pasaning, kailangan mong kumalma. What is the Eight of Cups? Represent with the Nine of Cups. Now, there's something you wish mo pimit. So, matutupad na yung mga pangarap mo na akala mo hindi ka dyan makakaalis, no? Yung parang, akala mo hindi ka na makakabangon, yung akala mo hanggang dyan na lang, no? Pero hindi mo alam kung paano ka lalaruin ang eksena, no? And because, guys, there's something that's Ten of Pentacles, magkakaroon ka ng long-term success and long-term investment, financial security, no, maaring magkakaroon ka talaga ng pangmatagalang sitwasyon dito. Makaka-recover ka na, guys. No? What is the Ace of Cups? Because the Hierophant. Reference with the Two of Cups. May partnership talaga dito. No, talagang pagdating sa pag-ibig, talagang mayroong kakaibang connection. No, there's something magnetic attractions. Unconditional love. Oh. And this is something, guys, with a Queen of Swords, no, clear the boundaries. Linisin mo yung mga bagay na alam mo makakasira ng iyong finances, ng your resource of income, na maging matalino ka at maging wais ka na how to handle your life, no, your situation. And this is something, guys, with the King of Cups, no, may devoted for the person dito na maaaring ginagabayan ka. Now, there's something turning back. Iba, maaaring napapabor na sa iyo ang situation, no? Additional messages tayo with an angel spirit. No, and this is something, guys, with the chart card, there's an action and moment na magkakaroon na ng changes and development sa situation mo. What is additional messages with an angel spirit? At the same time, this is something the star card, healing and recovery, makaka-recover ka na from this scenario, from the pain. Na unti-unti ka na unti-unti ka na makaka-move on sa mga pinagdaanan mo. Na maraming paparating talagang pagbabago dito. And at the same time, this is something the page of wands by good news. May magandang balita din dito na maaaring dumating sa buhay mo. Na maaaring hindi mo akalaing ipagkakaloob sa'yo for the outcome. Represent, guys, with page of sword being curiosity. So ngayon, mas kikilalanin mo na yung isa't isa, yung sarili mo, no, yung tao na to. No, and this is something the hermit card, something spiritual awakening, no, maaaring mamumulat ka na sa mga nangyayari. No, maaaring magigising ka na, no, hindi ka na magpapadala sa mga sinasabi nitong nasa paligid mo. Aalisin mo na yung mga bagay na magsisilbing balakid sa eksena mo. Additional messages. And of course, there's something, guys, with the Knight of Swords. So, some of you nagkakaroon ka ng anxiety, sleepless nights, worries. No, sinasabi sa'yo dito, guys, no, kailangan mong maging matalino ngayon, no? At baguhin mo na ang nakagisnan mo. No, some of you nagkakaroon ka talaga anxieties and depressions dahil kung ano tumatakbo sa utak mo, you're feeling stuck. No? Some of you, guys, mabago-bago yung utak mo. There's a tower moment for a major changes. No, may mga biglaang pagbabago talaga na mangyayari. No, this is something the Queen of Cups, maging practical ka. No? Sa lahat ng nangyayari sa buhay mo, even sa finances, maging balance ka, timbangin mo yung mga bagay na alam mo makakatulong sa'yo. No? Napakagulo ng utak at sitwasyon mo ngayon. No, pagdating sa love life, kumbaga may darating na basta matuto ka na sa pag-ibig, no? Kung may darating man if you are being single, kailangan matuto ka na yung alam mo dapat yung grounds mo. No, hindi ka dapat nagpapadala dito ng matatalinhagang salita, no? Kailangan being curiosity, kailangan busisiin mo, mag-background check ka. Alamin mo yan bang nararamdaman mo is totoo, no? Baka nadadala ka lang ng mga nangyayari, no? At the same time, this is something the Five of Pentacles, of course, nire-represent dito ng awakening, no? Parang sinasabi na ngayon mas matatauhan ka na, no? Ngayon ay ma-manage mo na at i-control mo na ano man yung mga bagay na makakalaga sa even your finances. And the Wheel of Fortune is turning back, no? Babaguhin mo na yung kaisipan mo dito. Yung mga tumatakbo sa isip mo, sa sitwasyon mo, no? Mas lalo ka na mas magiging matalino ngayon, no? So there's something, guys, with the Queen of Cups, no? Emotional healing, na mas magiging kalmado ka na, maraming parating na pagbabago. Ngayon, alam mo na yung grounds mo, hindi ka na magpapadala ng bugso ng damdamin. And this is something the Eight of Cups for something moving on or recovery, na unti-unti mo nang malalas at mararamdaman yung hininanais mo, no? Yung gusto mong mangyari sa buhay mo. At the same time, unti-unti ka rin dito makaka-recover, makakamtan mo at magiging balanse. At may magandang balita na magdadala sa ng pangmatagalang sitwasyon. So let's see, hanapin natin pagdating sa finances and career, love life at kalusugan mo. Alamin na natin yan, guys, so let's watch this. So let's see, what is additional messages for finances and career? So there's something, the Ace of Pentacles. So there's something, a big shot of big money coming in. May malaking pera talagang papasok, may malaking opportunities na darating sa buhay mo. Don't be missed, guys. No, wag mong hayaan mapadagpas pa to, no? And because this is something, guys, with the Five of Swords, nagkakaroon ng self-sabotage, not that because of your action. Ibig sabihin, baka sige kang chinika, no, sige kang kinuwento, na may darating na ganito, may darating na pera, may darating na opportunities, or may offer sa'yo. No, ngayon mag-ingat ka with the collaborations, no? Hindi lahat ng mga tao ay kailangan mo pagkatiwalaan. No, marami dyan sa paligid mo na maaaring ginigisa ka sa sarili mong mantika, no? Maaaring may ginagamit yan para pabagsakin ka, alamin yung kahinaan mo, gato ganyan, best being aware. Now, there's a for once-based celebration, no? Maaaring magse-celebrate ka na this time, and this is for maging mature ka and being grounded ka. Pagdating sa finances, matuto ka na proteksyonan mo at magkaroon ka ng boundaries sa mga plano mo. Because, guys, this is something, guys, with the lovers, no, connected with your love life. No, you are also guided. No, ginagabayan daw ang iyong relasyon ng ating angel spirit. No? What is additional messages pagdating sa buhay pag-ibig, sa love life, relasyon, and there's the world. Now, some of you magkaibang mundo. No, it's either nandito ka sa Pilipinas at nasa ibang bansa yung person mo, or either nasa ibang bansa ka, ang person mo ay nasa Pilipinas. So, magkaiba kayo ng country, no? And this is something, guys, with a word card. Represent something in travel, success, no? And there's an ease of want, something, a new ideas. No, nagkakaroon kayo ng mga plano, pangarap, no, may gusto kayong gawin, may gusto kayong tuparin. Marami tumatakbo sa isipan yung dalawa ng person mo, no? So, let's see what is additional messages. So, this is something, the King of Pentacles, na magkakaroon ka ng being practicality, no? And there's something security provider, no? Papangalagaan mo lahat ng bagay na gagawin mo. No? Lalo na pag-usapin sa pera ay sa relasyon, no? And there's a Three of Cups for celebration. No, may third party dito, guys, not just being aware. There's the King of Swords. Putulin mo yung mga bagay na alam mong hindi nagsiserve sa'yo. No, lalo na yung mga kaibigan mo na alam mong ginagangster ka, yung family related mo na alam mong ginagangster ka din, no? And there's a Queen of Wands. Now, there's something confident. Basta lakas ang loob mo, maging matapang ka. No, lakasan mo rin na pakiramdam mo at the same time. Na pagdating sa kalusugan, there's a Sun card with a pure positive outcome na magiging maganda na rin ang iyong sitwasyon, kalagayan, no, ang iyong pakiramdam, magiging maayos na rin to. No, mas magiging positibo na ang kalalabasan dito. There's something that Six of Pentacles, balance na. No, there's something giving, receiving something by the universe. The Six of Pentacles. And this is something the Ease of Swords with the breakthrough. No, gaganda na magkakaroon ka ng mental clarity. Na magiging maayos ang mental health mo. And this is something, the Justice card, Justicia, huwag ka mag-alala. Ano man yung mga bagay na ginawa sa'yo, ano man yung mga bagay na naranasan mo, pasakit, or consequences, maaaring, kumbaga, dulot niya ng karma, no? Kung maganda yung ginawa, magiging maganda ang balik sa'yo. Kung pangit ang ginawa, mapangit din ang magiging balik sa'yo. And there's the King of Wands, look at the bigger picture. Lagi mo titignan yung magiging posibilidad pagdating sa kalusugan mo, no? And this is something, this, guys, with the Seven of Cups, na maraming mga eksena dito, pakiramdam, nararanasan, mga nararamdaman, na maaaring naguguluhan ka pa nga no? So, let's see what is additional messages tayo. Pagdating naman tayo with the magical fire messages, advices, and of course, a pick a card, yes or no. So, guys, kung bago ka sa channel ko, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos update. Then, of course, guys, kung bago ka sa channel ko, hindi mo pa alam ang pick a card, yes or no, ipapaliwanag ko. Ang pick a card, yes or no, pwede ka magtanong. Na isa lang magiging tanong at isa lang ang magiging sagot. Pipili ka lang with a 1, 2, or 3. No? Comment daw below ko ano number na pili mo para malaman ko kung umabot ka ba sa reading na to. So, let's see and watch this. Let's see. For magical fire messages, represent what? Diba? Pasabog, may pa-bling-bling tayo, diba? Para mas mabulabog sila. No, there is something ask for what you want. No, ibig sabihin dito, kailangan mo lumapit sa ating gabay. Ano man yung mga bagay na ninanais mo? Ano ba talagang kailangan mo? Ano ba talagang gusto mo? There's a summer season na maaring masagot na. No? Or either, kumaga, ngayong summer nito, maaring matapos na. Ano man yung mga bagay na hinihintay mo. And there's something, a new hope. Magkakaroon ka ng bagong bahay. No, bagong uuwian. The new direction is here for you. And there's something, a perfect timing. This is the moment. No? Talagang inilalakad at ilalalantad na sa'yo. Ito ng tamang panahon at pagkakataon. No? Para baguhin na yung mundong kinagalawan mo. So, let's see. What is the Yin and Yang Oracle card? Represent, guys, with reflections. Lahat ng mga bagay na gagawin mo magre-reflect sa'yo. So, kailangan mag-ingat sila sa bawat action and decisions. And there's a feminine dito. May babae dito na maaaring, kumaga, you are also feminine, na Aries. No? Or either you watch out there, maaaring ikaw yung feminine. No? And this is something, guys, with the trouble. Some of you magkakaroon talaga ng trouble. And there's a communication and new adventure. And there's a truth. No, ilalantad lahat ng katotohanan dito. Walang maitatago. Now, there's a unity na may pagkakaisa. No? May pagtutulungan. No, let's see what is the synchronicities represent what. And of course, this is something of trust. So, kailangan mo ipagkatiwala sa universe. No, sa ating Panginoon. No? And there's a spring with the blossoming. May paglago talaga. No, mamumukad ka to, sisibol na. No, and this is something of princess, no, it's either, kumbaga, ikaw yung princess mo, mas bata ka sa person mo. Or either, guys, no, cross-watcher out there, may princess dito. What is the romance angels? And there's a home foundation, guys, na maaring, talagang there's a something home, na meron talagang home basis or home matter dito, na may tungkol sa tahanan, sa bahay, sa pamilya. And there's a missing you. Meron ditong namimiss ka na, no? And this at a third party, told you, meron dito nagkaroon ng third wheel. no? So let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit. Angel's number represent what? There is a 21, 12 with it's up to you. Nasa sa'yo ito, even it seems like you're not making any meaningful progress, things are moving in the right directions. If you see this number, it's a sign that everything will work out in your favor and your dreams will come true soon. So, matutupad yung mga pangarap mo sa mga susunod na eksena. No? Kumbaga sinasabi dito na magtiwala ka lang, there's a good fortune, may ikot ang kapalaran, no? Magiging maganda ang sitwasyon mo. Wala ka man nararamdaman na pagbabago sa ngayon, pero wag ka mag-alala. Iikot na to. What is the Money Move Oracle deck? What is the Money Move Oracle deck? Represent what? Represent, guys, with an authority, no? There's a be self-confident. So, take one of the role of the leader and everyone will respect you. No? Kumbaga, kailangan magkaroon ka ng respeto sa sarili mo, even sa mga tao sa paligid mo. No? So, let's see what is the path of the light. Represent what? What is the path of the light? Represent what? Represent, guys, with an inventiveness. Oh my goodness. I can take control of my life shaped by reality. With creative mindset, I create what resonates most with my heart. Even thought can be transformed into actions, allowing me to change my inner and outer worlds. By aligning my action with the divine guidance, I bring light and purpose into my life. No, see? Kumbaga, dadalhin ka kung ano ba talaga yung gusto mo mangyari sa buhay. Ano ba talaga yung purpose mo? No? Ano ba talaga yung kailangan mong mangyari? Anong kailangan mong baguhin? Ano yung kailangan mong simulan? Kumbaga, malalaman mo na to. Malalantad na to. Excuse me. There's a what lies beneath the shade of future. Ano yung mga bagay na nakatago sa hinahanap mo? And this is something tantric sex. So, some of you may religious dito, ha? May religious dito about sex. Oh, there's a sexual protection. Some of you, meron talaga dito about sa religious, no? Parang, it's either Muslim or anything, no? Iba yung lahi, no? Or either sa ibang bansa to, ganon. No? Ibig sabihin, ganon yung, kumbaga, tradition, no? Yung mga, nakasanayan, nakagawian, or either yung relihiyon, no? So, let's see what is shadow work represent what. And of course, this is something with an inner balance. So, kailangan mo maging balance dito. Wholeness, duality, what you resist, persist, what you accept, transform. No, ano man yung mga bagay na mangyayari yun. Ano man yung mga bagay na kailangan mababago yun. No, kaya kailangan mo gawin yung mga bagay na part mo. No, kaya nasa sa'yo, it's up to you, no? Kaya gawin mo yung mga bagay na alam mo magpapalago at magpapalakas sa'yo. There's something clarifying for a love situation. Represent one. And because this is something, guys, with a hanging on, release the past and let yourself love again. Napakawala mo na yung nakaraan. No, kung nagkaroon ng third party, third wheel, ibig sabihin dito may bagong pag-ibig na darating. No, baka siya na yung taong makakasama for long. No, for long term, for long time, for, di ba? For lifetime. So, let's see what is the clarifying for a life situation. For clarifying for a life situation. And of course, this is something, guys, with a commit to the journey, with determination go all in for long term. Your steadfast focus will bring lasting rewards. So, see, di ba, sabi ko na nga ba matatagpuan mo na yung tao makakasama mo pang matagalan. Yung life purpose mo dito, maaaring malaman mo talaga, no, kung ano talaga yung purpose dito sa reading na to, ano ba talaga yung purpose mo sa buhay na to, na mayroon talagang taong makakasama mo for good. Akala mo hanggang doon na lang, no, ibahin ang lalaruin ng eksena mo, no, darating yung taong, kumbaga, magpapatino, di ba, or either tatanggap ng buong pagkatao mo. So guys, let's see what is a pick a card, yes or no, so let's watch this. Okay, let's see what is a pick a card, yes or no, guys, no, ito na yon. Kung sino yung nakapili na number 1, ito na, umpisa na natin. Let's start with the number 1. Now, there is something, guys, with a no. Cut short, uphill, battle, fighting for a lost cause, no? Ibig sabihin dito, pinutol na, no? Hindi na muli pang madudugtong ano, parang sinasabi dito na wala na, tapos na ang laban, no? Kailangan mo nang tanggapin, no, ang pagkawala at pagtatapos nitong eksena na to. Number 2, there's something guys with a yes, open the suggestion front and center study. No, kailangan mo manatili. No, tanggapin mo ano man yung mga bagay na impormasyon na ibinibigay sa'yo, baka makakatulong yun. Kailangan ka tumanggap ng advices and messages with other people. And number 3, there's a yes, flow with the current natural progress. So see, dadaloy na ng mas maayos at mas maganda, no? Ibig sabihin na sa tamang proseso ka, kumbaga ito na yung matatanggap mo na yung natural na progreso sa buhay mo. Ang pagbabago at unti-unting pag-develop ng buong pagkatao mo. So guys, this is a special gabay for the month of June 3 hanggang June 9 for the sign of Aries. So Aries, maraming salamat po for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading is a general reading namang nila at makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagot. And guys, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit up the bell for more videos update. Kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalong-lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads away, pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapalisiksik liglig nag-uumapaw na biyayang manang balik sa inyo at maraming salamat po in see the next video. Bye-bye and babush!